Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, I am solving some important MCQs for entry test from 11th class Maths, chapter 11, application of trigonometry. 37 is already solved 36 in previous 5 lectures. 37 is circle drawn inside a triangle touching its 3 sides is called. Already discussed this in the previous lecture. Circle drawn inside a triangle touching its 3 sides is called encircle. Encircle or inscribed circle. This circle is called encircle or inscribed circle. So the correct option is option number B, encircle or inscribed circle. 38, area is equal to ABC divided by 4 into area 4 into A. Option B R into S and option C R2 into S minus B. All are correct. We know that R is equal to circumradius. Circumradius is equal to ABC divided by 4 into area. From this we can also write that area is equal to ABC divided by 4R. And RS, we know that R is equal to del divided by S. From this we can write area is equal to R into S. And also we know that R2 is equal to del divided by S minus B. So area is equal to R2 into S minus B. So all these three are correct. So option number D is correct option. 39, a circle passes through the vertices of an triangle is called circumcircle. Already explained in the previous lecture, a circle passing through the vertices of triangle is called circumcircle. So option number A is correct option. Number 40, with usual notation A minus B plus C is. We know that S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to S. So A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. And here we are given that A minus B plus C. A minus B plus C. So add and subtract B. A plus B plus C minus B and subtract B. Add B and subtract B. So we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. Minus B is equal to minus 2B. 2S common, which is equal to 2 into S minus B. So option number D is correct option. 41, area of circumcircle is ABC divided by 4R. Already explained here. This is formula of area. Area is equal to ABC divided by 4R. So option number A is correct option. Radius of scribed circle opposite to vertex A is. Radius of scribed circle opposite to vertex A. Area scribed circle is when touch one side of triangle internally and two sides of triangle external. This is scribed circle or E circle. It touches one side of triangle internally and two sides of triangle externally. This is called E circle or scribed circle. Radius of scribed circle opposite to side A is R1 is equal to del divided by S minus A. Radius of scribed circle opposite to side B is del divided by S minus B. And area of scribed circle, radius of scribed circle opposite to side C is del divided by area divided by S minus C. So area of radius of scribed circle opposite to vertex A is del divided by S minus A. Note all these formulas. 43 is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to. Here formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to area. This is Heroux formula. Squaring both sides, so S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is equal to square of area. So option number B is correct option. And 44 is S minus A divided by del. S minus A divided by del. From here we know that R1 is equal to del divided by S minus A. Take reciprocal. So R1 is 1 over R1 and del divided by S minus A is S minus A divided by del. So S minus A divided by del is equal to 1 over R1. And for more important MCQs, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.